Hey traders, this is Wrist. Sorry I've been busy with some events going on, but I just want to talk about some trades that I made and trades that I missed for the trade journal. I have been busy, so I've been missing more trades than I've been wanting to take. Definitely a lot of good setups, some better than others. I thought this trade right here was a decent trade, but I didn't get to take it. Certainly there was that descending sort of support trend line coming down here, then we squish this, and this line is a support from a longer time frame ago, so that sort of makes it weaker in my opinion as the game essentially changes. Um, Other longs that might have been good would be maybe like these, but again it's sort of choppy around, and I like more of the impulse. I did take there's an impulse down, and I did take this along, so that was a good that was a quick 20 points right there for me. Um, I also missed this short right here, classic sort of trend line, but it was just you know too fast for me. I tend not to play those kind of games right there, but there you go, pretty straightforward. Um, Combination of technicals and fundamentals. So also Thursday, I did take, I believe Thursday, yes. I did take this ES trade right here. I shorted right here and got my 2 points, but it was certainly a rough ride. I was trying to do two things at once, but there was just this trend down, and I wanted to get in actually right here. That's where I wanted to get in, but thankfully I still got 2 points. And there was some nice, look at these nice curves. It comes up, curves, doji falls up, curves, doji falls down. Or falls down, rather. So some really nice moves on the ES. These are just beautiful moves. I wish I would had more attention to get to them. Just stay in the green and then it changed and bam. Just look at that. It's just crazy, crazy ES. And um, one trade that I wouldn't have gotten obviously, but it would have been interesting is so talking about the Aussie dollar. And you look at sort of this confluence zone right here. Like I got this upper resistance and then a nice trend line into it. That's sort of, and they don't have to be exact. These things are sort of got to give them a little wiggle room, and that's why it's important not to have too many lines. That you're looking to trade. This is nice support here. Might see if we get a reversal candle around in this area. Sort of like what we had here. That's just nice. But we'll see. But anyway, we have the confluence, but there's just I think the news just blew it out. It just wasn't enough time. Even if you look at the tick chart, a very small time frame, you might had a little bit of time to find the stall out point, but I think it could have been anybody's guess at that point. As soon as like that 8:30, bam. You did get a double top. That's on such a small time frame. I don't think it would matter at that point. So anyway, that's the news. I am keep an eye on this Aussie dollar. It's something I can give attention to. Other than that, other than the Aussie dollar, if we don't get a good reversal, might see about retouch on the euro dollar, retouch up in this area. And for Sam side-in traders, you can kind of see sometimes how it's like, okay, is this lining up to supply? Or, is this just lining up to the trend? Or is it a little column A, a little column B? That's the thing about the markets. You're just trying to guess what everybody, where's the value, where's everybody's value coming at? And that's how it generally works. Like if you look here, look at this, a lot of people thought, hey, you know what? This thing was an important point. It definitely reversed off there, and a lot of people saw a lot of different things there. So that was just where it would stop right there. Other people might see different things. In general, if you can sort of look at the big picture, you'll do all right. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep an eye maybe on selling pull-ups to the euro dollar and maybe a nice reversal again on the Aussie dollar, though. I think the Aussie dollar's days of surviving are, because we got sort of like this descending triangle, I think, going on here. All right, well, thank you very much.